They do not think about that's what is
Of
going to
course.
happen tomorrow. My dreams were shattered. A lot of people say you will regret it, and my friend said to me,
Audio Jungle.
Hello, everyone. Welcome to another episode of Elegance Aces. Today we have Mahendra Jagid from financial industry. Let's see what value he brings to the table. Hello, Mahendra ji. Welcome to Elegance Aces.
"Oh, thank you for having me."
Thank you. Thank you for coming. So, can you tell आप थोड़ा बताओगे अपने बारे में कि आप क्या करते हो and what's your background?
So first of all, thank you, Gagan, for
Andy.
having me here.
You're welcome.
Since you guys launched this one,
Yeah.
I am an active listener of your podcast, and I truly enjoy it.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Now, when it comes to me, what I do, so I'm in the financial industry since 2014, and from that time onwards, what I just help families in securing their financial future.
Oh, okay. So, securing financial, you mean you educate them regarding financials, or do you actually do something for them?
So, what we do basically, we help them for their insurance needs,
Okay.
for their investment needs,
Okay.
and that way, just protecting their overall income and creating a discipline in maintaining how they, in the long run, maintain their financial stability of the family.
Okay. Okay. So, how do you educate them? Like in terms of, you said you help them financially. So, how do you educate? क्योंकि अभी लोगों को इतना आइडिया नहीं है कि वो क्या करे अपने पैसे के साथ जो उनके पास सेविंग है वगैरह, right? So, how do you help them in that case?
So let's come back to me first.
Yeah.
Um, I come from a nursing background,
Okay. Yeah.
and what I did, I was helping families there in just recovering from the health issues. And during that time, when I started here in Canada, I seen that's a lot of people, you know, just for a $25 drug prescription, they suffer. And from there, I just got an idea: why not, just only on nursing side? Why not only go on the financial side? And I got the chance to get in the financial industry in 2013 or 14. And from that time onwards, I just took a stride that's go on the grassroots and help families that's put in the discipline of saving for the long term, for their immediate needs and as well as for the long term needs. Because people, what they do usually, they spend whatever comes in their pocket today. They do not think about that's what is
Of
going to
course.
happen tomorrow.
True. True.
So, what we do when we sit with the families, we look at their goals. That's what they want to achieve. And once we have seen that one, then we create a tailor based, a personalized, a performa for them, and then we provide them the services. Now, what kind of services we provide? It's based on their needs, like it can be term insurance, permanent insurance, their basic things like TFSA, RESP, RRSP. The people, they just do not consider that these accounts can be valuable. So this is how we just form the base, and from the base we take them to the new heights.
So how do you actually educate? Do you go to their houses or they come to you, or how do you find these kind of people? Like, because a lot of people, जो हमारे एक हमारी बोलते हैं कि बैकग्राउंड में एक चीज़ चलती लोगों के दिमाग में कि they don't want to go to anybody for help.
हम बहुत सही कहा आपने. That's specifically in our culture,
हाँ जी.
we hesitate
Of course.
in asking help.
Yeah.
We think that we know, and we do not seek any help. So उसमें क्या होता है कि जब हम हेल्प नहीं पूछेंगे तो कोई अपने को हेल्प करने के लिए नहीं आ रहा है. But our model is totally different. What we do, with the help of friends and families, we go in the referral market and we help them. So जैसे मैं आपके पास बैठा हूँ अभी, I just helped you,
Right.
and through you, if I have helped you in a nicer way, then obviously you are going to give me some referrals, and referral is the biggest source of business. So जब आपसे referral मिली, whatever I have taught you, how I have financially educated you and your family, similar way I'm going to go to the next person, but according to their needs. It's not just like similar to yours.
Okay. सो आप बोल रहे हो कि पैसा लोगों को इन्वेस्ट करवाते हो, पर पैसा आ कहाँ से रहा है लोगों के पास?
सो गगन जी, आपने बहुत अच्छा क्वेश्चन किया। लोग जब हम मिलते हैं
हाँ
तो
जी।
यही बोलते हैं कि यार पैसा है ही नहीं,
यप।
इतना इन्फ्लेशन हो रहा है, इतनी महंगाई हो रही है, कहाँ से सेव करें, कहाँ से लॉन्ग टर्म के लिए डालें अपने। सो उसके अंदर हम क्या करते हैं, जब किसी फैमिली के पास बैठे हैं, जस्ट वी लुक अराउंड कि ये पैसा कहाँ कहाँ जा रहा है, कौन सी चीज़ें ऐसी हैं जहाँ पे अपन कट डाउन कर सकते हैं जो अननेसेसरी है। क्योंकि लोगों को पता नहीं है कि बहुत सारा पैसा ऐसी जगह जा रहा है जो बेसिकली वो यूज ही नहीं कर रहे हैं। सो जब हम बैठ के उनको देखते हैं कि हाँ, दिस इज़ गोइंग हियर, दिस इज़ गोइंग हियर, इज़ इट यूजफुल फॉर यू? अगर वो कहते नहीं है, लेट्स कट इट डाउन। सो धीरे धीरे करके, जैसे कहते हैं ना, अपना बूंद बूंद करके घड़ा
ऑफ
बढ़ता है,
कोर्स।
वैसे करके इवन अगर कोई $50 आज सेव करता है। आज मैं जस्ट फॉर ए लाइटर नोट, मैं मेरे बेटे से बात कर रहा था
हाँ
एंड
जी।
ही इज़ 14 years old। एंड आई सेड हिम टू दैट, इफ़ यू सेव $175 टू स्टार्टिंग टुडे, एट एज 65 यू
या।
विल हैव $1 million,
ओके। इंटरेस्टिंग।
राइट? सो उसके लिए क्या करता है, थोड़ा इफर्ट अपने को डालना होता है, जो अपने पास एग्जिस्टिंग है
हाँ
उसी
जी।
में से पैसा निकालना है।
ऑफ कोर्स।
क्योंकि अपने को पैसा चाहिएगा जब हम रिटायर होएंगे।
हाँ जी।
हमारी अपनी हेल्थ नीड्स अलग होगी, उन हर चीज़ के लिए अपने को पैसा चाहिए। तो अगर हम यही करते रहे कि पैसा नहीं है, पैसा नहीं है, तो कभी सेव नहीं होना। उसके लिए अपने को अपनी एग्जिस्टिंग पे चेक से ही पैसा
या।
निकालना पड़ेगा।
सो बेसिकली कहाँ से कट कर सकते हो इन, बिकॉज यू माइट हैव हेल्प सो मेनी पीपल बाय नाउ।
सो
सो सॉरी, कौन सा बड़ा खर्चा जो हम लोग कम कर सकते हैं आज की डेट में?
सो सबसे जो अननेसेसरी खर्चों में आता है, जैसे मैं बहुत सारी फैमिलीज़ के साथ बैठता हूँ। दे हैव, you know we call it, you can call it idiot box or whatever.
ओके।
Even it's just $15 for Netflix, but that $15 also adds up,
ऑफ कोर्स।
right? um, Coming from a nursing background, I see a lot of people are unhealthy. I do not say them that you are
ऑफ कोर्स, यू
unhealthy.
डोंट वांट टू टेल देम।
Yeah,
या।
but I just say, okay, you need to cut down your eating outside.
ओके।
Now when I said that one, it might feel them, they might feel bad at that time.
ऑफ कोर्स।
बट होता क्या है, उससे उनकी दो तरफ से हेल्प हो रही है, पहली हेल्थ वाइज और दूसरी वेल्थ वाइज।
ऑफ कोर्स।
सो ऐसे करके ही जो छोटी छोटी चीज़ें हैं, ओके, यू आर गोइंग, आई एम नॉट सेइंग यू डोंट टेक ए वेकेशन,
या।
बट वी नीड टू लिव विद इन आवर बजट। अगर हम बजट में हैं और अगर अपन उसी हिसाब से अपना खर्चा कर रहे हैं, तो देर इज़ नो लैक ऑफ मनी। इवन पीपल विद द लोएस्ट सैलरी, दे कैन ऑल्सो सेव बिग अमाउंट फॉर देयर रिटायरमेंट।
इंटरेस्टिंग। सो आप जो बोल रहे हो कि आप छोटे छोटे अमाउंट आप डाल सकते हो, मिनिमम कितना अमाउंट हम लोग सोच सकते हैं टू स्पेयर?
सो सबसे पहले गगन जी, मैं ये कहूँगा कि लोग कहते हैं कि हमें अपना कर्जा उतारना है सबसे पहले।
राइट।
यस, द डेट रिपेमेंट इज़ वन ऑफ द बिगेस्ट कंसर्न टुडे बिकॉज ऑफ द इन्फ्लेशन एंड ऑल दोज
हाँ
थिंग्स।
जी। हाँ जी।
All the bills have increased a lot,
राइट।
specifically our mortgages with the higher interest. So people got stuck in that one. I know few of my clients, they bought big houses, and now during 2020 their budget was very, their interest rate was low. So हुआ क्या कि उनके उस टाइम पे mortgage बहुत कम था, and right now they are just crying under that mortgage.
ऑफ कोर्स, बिकॉज वेंट टू हाई दो।
It's went too high,
हाँ जी।
right?
या।
नाउ जब आते हैं कि अपन कहाँ से शुरू करें, कहाँ, सबसे पहले ये चीज़ होती है कि अपन जो डेट रिपेमेंट है उसमें अ, अपनी जो इंश्योरेंसेस का सेक्शन होता है, क्योंकि हम तभी पे कर सकते हैं जब अपने पास कोई इनकम रहेगी। एंड इन दिस स्ट्रेसफुल इन्वायरमेंट, सबसे बड़ी क्या चीज़ है, अपने को हेल्थ चैलेंजेस आते हैं। और हेल्थ चेंजेस जब आते हैं तो अपने सबसे पहले क्या होता है कि अपन वर्क से कट डाउन करना पड़ता है। नहीं कर रहे हैं, वी आर मोर गेटिंग मोर सीरियस इन आवर हेल्थ वाइज। सो टेकिंग योर इनकम प्रोटेक्शन फॉर डिसेबिलिटी इंश्योरेंस, फॉर critical illness insurance, people say that healthcare is free here, but ask the people who have not got the help on the time, right? So income protection is the first thing. From there we start, and that can be just started with the $20-25 a month.
And that goes towards your insurances and stuff like that, what you're
It
saying.
goes first thing for the income protection, because if you have income,
हाँ जी.
you can create other things later on.
Okay.
Because if you don't have income, I don't think you can create any, you can repay your debt, or
Of
you
course.
can create a wealth for your future.
So is there any minimum amount कि आपको इतना इंश्योरेंस लेना पड़ता है उस चीज़ के लिए या
So there is nothing obligation from our side.
हाँ जी.
It's based on your needs. जैसे आपके पास, just take an example कि you have a young family with the 2 kids, and
Right.
you have a 500,000 mortgage. You need at least approximately 750,000 of
Mortgage
insurance
insurance, of course.
to cover your liabilities.
Yes.
And that will be based on the how long you're going to have that time. Your kids are dependent on you for 18 years,
Yep.
right? Your mortgage is there for 20 to 25 years.
Mhm.
So for that period of time, just take a term insurance. You don't
Term,
need to
okay.
go for the fancy one, but you're just protecting your income.
Oh, okay. But in Canada, I would say there's about 1.5, 1.6 million people who doesn't have a house yet.
Yeah,
So how do they spare that kind of thing? Because they don't have mortgage,
yeah.
right? उनके ऊपर कोई liability नहीं है. They don't think about कि आज मैंने बाहर से खाना है. They don't think twice. So उनके लिए how do they start this thing?
सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, जो नए लोग
हाँ
हैं,
जी.
जिनको जिनके पास अभी घर नहीं है,
हाँ जी.
आई मीन दे आर लिविंग समवेयर,
Of course.
बट दे डोंट ओन द मॉर्गेज,
हाँ
दैट्स
जी.
व्हाट आई मीन टू से. तो सबसे पहले उनको अपने लॉन्ग टर्म गोल्स में सबसे जो अपना बिगेस्ट ड्रीम है, वो ये है कि हम अपने एक घर ओन करें,
Right.
राइट? सो गवर्नमेंट ने रिसेंटली दे हैव लॉन्च्ड वन ब्यूटीफुल अकाउंट, दैट इज FHSA,
Mhm.
फर्स्ट होम सेविंग अकाउंट, and then RRSP. If people are earning, they are generating that RRSP room, just put some money in that one, so they can have some down payment for their home. Along with that one, just buy some disability insurance and critical illness. If they do not have any liabilities at this point of time, don't buy life insurance, but they need to have that specifically income protection segment, right? So start with lowest amount of what you can afford according to your income, your critical illness insurance, your disability insurance, and do not forget to open your FHSA and RRSP and TFS accounts.
But these the terms you have mentioned,
Yeah,
ये सिर्फ उनके लिए जो नया घर लेना चाहते हैं क्योंकि they are first time
yeah.
benefits, right? First time home buyers benefits. Let's suppose I don't want to buy a house.
Mm-hmm.
मेरी options क्या आएंगे उस पे?
आप घर बाय नहीं करना चाह रहे हैं. कई लोग कहते हैं हमें कि आई एम सिंगल, आई डोंट नीड लाइफ इंश्योरेंस. यस, you might not need it,
हाँ जी.
but still you will need something that is known as I'm using those two terms again and again: disability and critical income protection. You need it, right?
हाँ. So ये तो हो गया एक फर्स्ट टाइम होम बायर्स का प्रोग्राम जो आप बता रहे हो, राइट? इसके अलावा अब जो यंग कपल हैं जो दे कमिंग टू कैनेडा एज वेल, राइट? जो बेसमेंट में रह रहे हैं, हाउ डू दे जनरेट अ सेकंड सोर्स ऑफ इनकम या कोई इनकम स्ट्रीम उनके लिए अलग से निकले? कैसे होगा वो पॉसिबल उनके लिए?
um Totally agree. People are going through the tough time right now.
यस.
um if we look, lot of industries, they are laying off the people, right? And when the word we are hearing, when we hear the word laying off, we all get scared.
True.
Doesn't matter how much you earn, or you earn minimal or highest amount,
Of course. And everybody gets scared though.
everybody gets scared.
हाँ जी.
And we are not alien from that one,
Hmm.
or newcomers are not alien. That's it. It's going to come or might come to anyone. Now when you say this, how to generate the next source of the income, first thing, we need to improve on our skill category, skill set. अगर अपन आ रहे हैं, मैं इंडिया से आ रहा हूँ यहाँ पे, और मैं उसी ढर्रे पे चल रहा हूँ कि मेरे को कुछ चेंज नहीं करना है, तो इट्स गोइंग टू बी टफ,
Of course.
राइट? फिर नेक्स्ट अपनी जो इनकम स्ट्रीम है, उसके लिए अपन क्या कर सकते हैं? आज के टाइम पे गिग इकोनॉमी, इट्स वन ऑफ द
True.
लार्जेस्ट थिंग, राइट? लॉट ऑफ पीपल दे कम एंड दे लुक एट द आउटसाइड सोर्स इनकम. उसके अंदर हो गया आपका, जैसे उबर हो गई. मैं ये नहीं कह रहा हूँ कि आप आके उबर चलाइए,
Uber, of course, हाँ जी.
बट इफ यू हैव टू जनरेट, you need to, right?
Anything is doable.
Anything is
हाँ
doable.
जी.
People come. I have seen, जब मैं यहाँ पे आया था, I came as a nurse. I had 10 years of experience. Now, do you think immediately after coming here I got a registered nurse? No, I was not a registered nurse. I was working जो इंडिया में अपन बोलते हैं वार्ड बॉय.
What by yes?
So I worked for ward boy as a ward boy for 2 years,
Oh, okay.
and during that time I was struggling, right? But whatever was available to me, I did that one.
Yeah.
But at the same time, I did not, stay there. That was the biggest thing that changed everything. I did not stay there. I upgraded myself. It took me 2 years. It was hard. It was tough on my family. Everything was so difficult.
Yeah.
But I upgraded, and once I got in the RN job, it was totally different. So इसके लिए आपकी इच्छा पे, what you want to get. It's not, nobody is going to come to you at your home or in the basement that say, come, we will give you some income.
So अगर बात की जाए अभी के महेंद्र जी में वर्सेस 10 साल पीछे वाले महेंद्र जी में, जब आप आए थे यहाँ पे 10 साल 12 साल पहले, सो व्हाट वाज योर माइंडसेट तब कि क्या करना है जाके, मतलब आपको डिड यू हैव सम फाइनल डेस्टिनेशन कि मेरे को जाके नर्सिंग करनी है या कुछ और करना है? वाज दैट योर फाइनल स्टेप?
Well, interesting question, or nice way to go in that one. जब मैं यहाँ पे आया था तो मेरा, इससे पहले मैं मेडलिस्ट था.
ओके.
So I worked there 5 years, and एक ड्रीम था कि जैसे ही कनाडा आए, रजिस्टर्ड नर्स बन गए,
हाँ जी.
एंड लाइफ इज सेट.
ओके.
बट जब यहाँ पे लैंड हुए, मेरे लिए स्पेसिफिकली, मैं आई लैंडेड हियर इन द विंटर.
ओके.
सो
वेरी टफ.
इट वाज कम्प्लीटली टफ.
या.
मैं कहाँ से, दुबई से आया, तो वहाँ पे टोटली हॉट वेदर. यहाँ पे मैं, आई वाज अप इन -40 दैट डे आई लैंडेड. इट वाज कम्प्लीटली टफ.
राइट.
इन कल्चरल शॉक और इन्वायरमेंटल शॉक, वट एवर यू से. सेकेंड थिंग, जब मैं यहाँ पे आके और जब मैं मेरे रेज्यूमे डिस्ट्रीब्यूट कर रहा था, nobody called me, and those dreams were shattering slowly. But anyhow, I just kept my composure, and I kept working on myself. So पहले I, सबसे पहले I just got landed in my RN job, and that was a dream come true. बट उसी के बाद में इमीडिएटली ये रियलाइज़ हो गया कि यहाँ से एज ए जॉब कुछ ज़्यादा नहीं होने वाला है. एंड विद द हेल्प ऑफ वन ऑफ माई फ्रेंड, जो मेरे को बोला कि यू कैन डू समथिंग एल्स एज वेल. एंड आई वाज सर्चिंग अराउंड एंड जस्ट गोट इन द फाइनेंशियल इंडस्ट्री. आई टुक इट कैजुअली, और यू कैन से ऑन द पार्ट टाइम बेसिस अर्लियर. तो जब मैं लर्न कर रहा था तो इसको सिर्फ पार्ट टाइम कर रहा था. बट ड्यूरिंग उस टाइम के मेरे साथ क्या हुआ कि मैंने रियलाइज़ किया कि ये सिर्फ मेरी नीड नहीं है, बहुत सारे लोगों की नीड है.
यस.
एंड इट कम्प्लीटली चेंज्ड मी. और उसके बाद में जो मैंने चूज़ किया कि आई हैव टू डू सम हायर स्किल सेट, आई नीड टू अपग्रेड माई स्किल्स इन दिस वन. आई डिड सम मोर कोर्सेज, and right now I am just working on my CFP. Now coming back to your question, that's how you feel that difference. It's totally amazing.
Yeah.
I do not regret it, that switching from a high paying nursing job, registered nursing, I'm on the top pay scale.
Yeah. True.
So from there to starting your own thing, a lot of people say you will regret it, and my friend said to me that one as well, that don't quit your nursing. बट जब मैंने क्विट करके और स्पेसिफिकली मैं फुल टाइम आ गया यहाँ पे, इट्स टोटली अमेजिंग फीलिंग. आई कैन एज व्हेन वी वर टॉकिंग ऑफ स्क्रीन, ऑफ कैमरा, दैट्स आई वाज टॉकिंग अबाउट, दैट्स हाउ आई कैन टेक ऑफ ड्यूरिंग माय वीकडेज एंड ऑल दोस थिंग्स. एंड वी आर हैविंग डिनर टुगेदर नाउ. दैट्स in the nursing field, when I was there, the biggest challenge, I was working in the evening shifts or night shifts. सो जो इवॉल्वमेंट हुआ वो नॉट ओनली फ्रॉम द जॉब परस्पेक्टिव और इनकम परस्पेक्टिव से, बट वो ये हुआ कि इसके साथ में फैमिली बहुत ज़्यादा अलाइन हुई है. एंड वी हैव ग्रोन एट ए गुड एक्सटेंट. मैं ये भी अभी भी ये नहीं कहूँगा कि आई एम फुली ग्रोन अप इन द बिजनेस. देयर इज ऑलवेज लर्निंग इन्वॉल्व, बट वी आर एज ए फैमिली, वी आर अलाइंड एंड वी आर ग्रोइंग. माई किड्स, दोज हु आर जस्ट 8 and 14, they are enjoying this journey.
सो यूर सेइंग कि जो आपकी फाइनेंशियल एजुकेशन है उसने आपको इतना कैपेबल बना दिया कि दैट यू कैन गिव अ टाइम टू योर फैमिली एंड गिव मोर टाइम टू योरसेल्फ एट द सेम
Oh
टाइम.
yes.
राइट.
So I love hiking,
नाइस.
and whenever I get chance, when it specifically, जब मेरे बच्चों की स्कूल की छुट्टी होती है, I just take them, and both of them, 8-year-old, you know, it's quite unimaginable that he can, climb on the Sulphur Mountain, right?
I think for our Calgarians, that's the main feature we have because that's the best thing we can do,
Oh yeah, and
right?
just take your family. Just we are lucky to have these mountains nearby us,
Exactly, yeah.
right?
Only an hour
So
away.
अभी मैं बच्चों को सिर्फ टीवी पे नहीं छोड़ता।
हाँ जी.
मैं जब मैं नहीं उठ रहा हूँ तो वो मेरे को उठा लेंगे, चलो वॉक पे चलते हैं। अपन नियरेस्ट वी हैव नॉज हिल पार्क, सो हम वहाँ पे हाइक पे निकल जाते हैं।
Nice. So when you said your, sorry, I'm gonna go back a little bit here. When you said कि आपका बेटा 14 साल का है ना, आप उसको बोलते हो कि अब if he saves $100 right now,
या
so $100 save कर करके, what freedom will he get in that?
दैट विल बी अनइमेजिनेबल। सो obviously there will be dollar value deflation and all those things,
हाँ
right?
जी.
But still you are saving those $100, not you are saving those $100 each month, right? You're not saving $1 million today.
Of
That's
course.
it will deflate. So $100 उसको अगर 150 डॉलर के लगभग वो अगर सेव करता आज से टिल ही रिटायर्स,
क्या मैं उसको अपने पर्सनल बैंक अकाउंट में रखूंगा या फिर अपने कहाँ पे रखूँ उसको?
सो उसके लिए बहुत अलग अलग मोड हैं। राइट नाउ ही इज़ नॉट 18, सो ही कैन नॉट हैव TFSA, so I can have a trust account. There are different modes,
Okay.
but that can be discussed in another segment, how we go
Of course,
through,
yeah,
yeah,
that's
yeah.
right, yeah.
So but the thing, it's just putting in a habit.
Right.
And I'm happy that's, when I go home every day, the kids ask me, that's how was your day, how many families you helped today.
That's great.
And it gives the satisfaction. It gives the satisfaction. It's only not only tells me that I'm helping the family, is also brings all my family member together, that say we helped a family, we secured their finances together today.
And what fun activities beside this you do? Do you have fun like a get together, or do you guys just go out to hike? That's pretty much it.
So obviously as a family we hike, and
Yeah.
then we have a, as back home I'm from Rajasthan, so we have quite good community here, so we continuously have get together with them. And my younger son and elder, both they are in the soccer classes,
Wonderful.
so I love going to those classes there and meet new people and having that cheering for them.
Of course.
That gives a lot of pleasure.
Of course, it's a wonderful feeling to have to see your kids playing, enjoying themselves, right?
Yeah, it is. You know, the moment he scores, especially the younger one, the moment he scores a goal,
Yeah.
he comes on and takes off his t-shirt in Messi style. He's a fan of Messi, and it gives a lot of pleasure to me and my wife.
Right.
A lot. We love it. That's and specifically why we love it right now. It's not like that's they just started soccer classes now.
Yeah.
They are in the soccer classes. My elder one, he started his soccer classes when he was in grade 5,
Wonderful.
and the younger one he started last year.
Okay.
So but for my elder one, I was not able to attend those one because I was working, and as a family, my wife has that stress or whatever you say, that she has to take care of those kids at home, as well as she has to take them for different classes, sometimes soccer class, sometimes swimming, and all those things. She was totally occupied. Now as a family we go together
Yeah.
and we have fun. It doesn't look like I have to take them to the soccer class, I have to take them for swimming classes. As a family we go.
Let's just go outside and then
It's
that's
yeah.
pretty much it. So Mahinder ji, thank you for coming and giving this valuable teachings you have and share your experience with us. I know today is not enough time to give us what you have on your plate, but we'll call you definitely on the second time and possibly more on as well. But one piece of advice, if you have for young listeners or people who just recently come or people who doesn't want to come out their bubble, what piece of advice do you have for them?
Oh, that one of the important question a lot of people ask, that's when we meet any newcomers, what
Yeah.
you have for our young kids.
Yeah.
um I won't go on the young kids, but as you said,
Yeah.
that's for the new people who are just coming here in this country of dreams, we can say, but those dreams get deflated immediately the time they land here. So the my biggest advice to anyone, the first thing, do not rely on your old skills. Doesn't matter what they are. You can be expert in anything, but that was old you yesterday. You need to evolve yourself in new you as a today's person,
Interesting.
right?
Yeah.
You need to upgrade your skills as per the today's demand, as per the today's situation. Is upgrade your skills. Doesn't matter whatever industry you are in. You
पर
can
हम
be
तो लोगों को यही बोलते वो आते हैं भाई कुछ ना कुछ करके आना खाली हाथ मत आना तो
well, वो कहते हैं, बट यहाँ पे आके वो सिचुएशन टोटली डिफरेंट हो
हाँ
जाती है.
जी
मैं ये सोच के आया था यहाँ पे, द मोमेंट आई लैंड हियर,
हाँ जी
nursing job is ready for me in a plate. But it was totally different.
ओके
My dreams were shattered, as I said earlier, right? So मैं ये कहना चाहूँगा कि अपने जो स्किल सेट हैं उसको इम्प्रूव, यहाँ अगर आप में वो स्किल्स हैं या नहीं हैं, अगर हैं तो भी उनको पॉलिश करने की बहुत ज़रूरत है. Second thing, put a habit of saving money. Even a single dollar if you save every day, it becomes $30 a month.
even if you're in a money crunch like
Yeah. So, all those things, different small things, they make a huge difference.
right
Once you start those habits, everything should be on the right path.
wonderful
And when with these small habits, what will happen? You will be automatically be in a discipline, and that discipline will lead to a successful path. And I think that's the only advice. These two advice, upgrade yourself and start saving. If you have even a single dollar, that will make a huge difference.
wonderful thank you so much Mahendraji once again for this valuable tips and your experiences and thank you everyone for watching Elegant Says and please don't forget to like share and subscribe